This tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use and how to manage and how to create a shortcut on your Android for easy access. If you want to have access to any app, very easy and very easy shortcut way, just click on the apps here, and as you can see, send to desktop, and I'm going to show you where your Facebook is. And you can see it is it now. Listen, you can just put it anywhere you want it. You can arrange it, and if you want to put it here now, you can put it here. If you want to remove it, you can remove it now. And this is it. I'll teach you another thing now. You can this thing, put it here. I want to put one thing in just one folder. Just come to here again, click on OP, click on your OP here. Sorry guys, sorry. Okay, now so click on your OP here now and set to desktop. And this is it here now. So I want to put this OP and this Facebook in one folder, so I'll be able to have access to all my folders. I used to use mail every day. Just click on the OP, put it here now. You can see I've had to come here again, click on something. Let's say my Chrome browser. I used to use it every day. Just click on your Chrome browser here, send to desktop, and this is it. Come here, you see it on desktop, put it here and put it here now. Just put it here inside it folder. That's three. Just that is how you can add and remove. And if you wanted to remove any from those folder, just click on the folder. You can name the folder as daily do's, and that's it. Click on it, and this is it. You can add and remove and do everything now. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.